In today's digital age, turning passion projects into profitable ventures is more achievable than ever before. If your pursuits ignite enthusiasm in your soul, then it's time to consider online platforms as a gateway to monetization. This video will explore various strategies to transform your passion into a sustainable income, one step at a time. To begin, identify platforms that align with your passion. If you possess a proficiency in crafting or designing, consider marketplaces like Etsy or Redbubble. These forums connect creators with global audiences eager for unique pieces. If your gift lies in content creation, platforms such as Patreon or YouTube offer opportunities to share your expertise and creativity while earning patron support or ad revenue. Once your platform is selected, focus on building an engaging presence. Authenticity is key. Share your passion with honesty and enthusiasm, and establish a regular schedule for your content or product updates. Consistency maintains audience interest and builds trust over time. Social media channels should act as your cheerleaders, spreading the word far and wide about what distinguishes your work from the rest. Monetization is not limited to direct sales or donations. Diversifying income streams enhances stability. Consider affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services related to your passion and earn a commission. For those who possess teaching abilities, online courses or workshops can be lucrative. Skill-sharing platforms like Udemy or Skillshare cater to passionate experts eager to impart knowledge. Finally, foster community. Engage with your audience, respond to their feedback, and personalize your interactions. Loyal followers not only return but also become advocates for your work, expanding your reach exponentially. Offers such as limited edition releases or exclusive memberships can add an air of rarity and privilege, incentivizing increased engagement and support. In conclusion, monetizing a passion project requires more than fervor alone. It demands strategic planning, consistent output, and meaningful connections with your audience. By leveraging the right platforms and diversifying income streams, you have the potential to transform your beloved pursuits into a gratifying and rewarding enterprise.